15 calming shower plants to transform your bathroom. Starting your day with a cold water rush or ending an exhausting, long one with a calming, warm shower is pretty much the usual routine. This is why bathrooms should never be under-designed. There are plenty of tricks you can apply to upgrade your bathroom. However, the easiest and the most instant one is including shower plants. Indoor plants transform our atmosphere only for the better, and in all terms, they are calming, enhance the air quality, and bring a sense of nature into the house. This is why shower plants can make your bathroom cozier in no time. Is it preferred to put plants in the shower? If you choose the right kind of plant, then absolutely yes. Shower plants offer a series of benefits. They help with moisture absorption. Most shower plants absorb moisture. In the bathroom, which is the most humid space of a house, plants live the same way they live in highly moist areas. They use the air's moisture. This way, you won't need a dehumidifier in your bathroom. Shower plants improve air purification. Plants do not clean the air, but they do supply oxygen. As opposed to what is known, plants do not purify the air, they make breathing easier. Those with breathing problems may find it easier to breathe more air when a plant is present as oxygen levels rise. They look great and make you feel calmer. Shower plants are adaptable and attractive. Flowers and beautiful plants boost positive energy levels and make individuals feel safe, protected, and less stressed. Plants also increase human concentration and productivity by 15%. 15 calming shower plants to transform your bathroom. In a space with high moisture content and minimum daylight entrance, you must be careful which plants to choose as shower plants. The following plants are known to thrive well in these conditions. Golden pothose. In some situations, golden pothose overgrow, gaining up to 12 inches in length each month. It has heart-shaped leaves that droop rather than grow vertically and can be trained onto trellises or left to fall naturally. It enjoys bright, natural light but can thrive in shadow or under artificial light. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is the most common shower plant for a reason. Their aroma has healing and therapeutic effects. Eucalyptus should be hung high in showers in short bundles like mistletoe, helping to reduce congestion and irritation. Peace lily. The peace lily is a flowering evergreen plant with easier to care for blooms than its delicate appearance suggests. It prefers a mix of indirect and direct light, which is the case in most bathrooms. Peace lilies thrive in hot, humid climates, so a steamy bathroom is an ideal replacement environment. Heartleaf philodendron. This plant features huge, glossy heart-shaped leaves, as its name suggests. The trailing heartleaf philodendron looks excellent in hanging planters and may even be trained on trellises. By tweaking it back regularly, it can be kept smaller and bushier. This plant can withstand low light levels and thrives in humid environments like bathrooms. Boston fern. Boston ferns are so common and they thrive in humid environments. This lovely, hardy species makes an excellent bathroom plant. Boston ferns can be displayed in hanging baskets, and because they enjoy damp soil, you can even hang them in the shower if you choose a well-draining pot. Cyclamen. The cyclamen, a fragrant plant with upswept petals and heart-shaped, patterned leaves, is a lovely addition to your bathroom. It will reduce humidity and refresh the air you breathe. It will blossom if you can give it early sunlight while shielding it from the intense midday sun and cold drafts. Dragon tree. The dragon tree shower plant is an indestructible houseplant that can withstand even the most neglectful caretakers. It can handle high humidity and is one of the largest houseplants that will comfortably live in the bathroom, despite being drought-resistant. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is a plant that loves water with distinct branches that can be trained into spirals or lattices as it grows. It's not related to bamboo, instead, it's an African species closely linked to garden asparagus. It can be cultivated in water without soil. However, you must change the water every few weeks if you choose this option. Bird's nest fern. The bird's nest fern, which comes from the tropics, will thrive in all the warmth and humidity your steamy showers can bring. Bird's nest fern is ideal for any damp bathroom with a window. Water it once a week to keep the soil moist and give it some morning light. If you don't give it enough light, your shower plant will grow its wavy leaves flatter than if you give it enough. Snake plant. Snake plants are easy to grow and don't die quickly. It doesn't require a lot of light or water and is rarely harmed by too much water, which makes it an excellent shower plant. If you're going to put it in your bathroom, be sure it's not in the way. You have to be cautious as it is pretty sharp and can easily cut someone unprepared. Air plant. When living in a moist climate, these air plants don't require soil and may absorb most of the water they need from the air. As a houseplant, air plants are experiencing a rebirth, and some species are becoming overcollected. It's essential to double-check that the ones you buy were grown in a nursery rather than harvested from the wild. Spider plant. The spider plant has a wide range of tolerances, making it an excellent choice for beginner plant owners as a bathroom plant. This sprawling plant thrives in damp environments and may even live in low light. It's effortless to spread, as it produces plantlets, also known as spidorets, that may be divided and replanted. Moth orchid. Because the moth orchid thrives in damp surroundings, it's an excellent shower plant, especially if you live somewhere dry. While many orchids are difficult to cultivate in a home, the moth orchid is usually the best to grow in a house since it grows quickly and frequently flowers. Begonia. Begonias are a spreading genus of 1,800 plant species that thrive in pots and hot, humid bathrooms. Most varieties are native to humid, tropical climates and will soothe damp air in your bathroom while adding a cluster of beautiful, fragrant blooms. Eternity plant. The eternity plant gets its name from its ability to flourish in various and under less than ideal conditions. It requires little water and low to medium light, and it can thrive almost entirely without human intervention in a naturally lit bathroom. Thank you for watching till the end. Hope it will help you in making and transform your bathroom. Design.